Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about affordable perfume dupes. So I came across this brand. I think you pronounce it Dossier. Sorry if I'm wrong, but this is the perfume right here. It is such a beautiful scent. I got it in Floriantel Vanilla, and I'm not really like a perfume fragrance type of person, so I'm not really familiar with the notes and all of that, but for those of you who might be, the top notes are mandarin, pear, pink pepper, and licorice. Middle notes are jasmine and orange blossom, and the base notes are cedarwood, patchouli, if that's how you pronounce it, vanilla, and coffee. This is it right here. I think the packaging is so sleek and super cute, and I love that it has a little magnetic top. I love that because I always tend to lose my little tops somehow, and I don't know, I just love it. I just feel like it's more secure, and you don't have to like really fight your way to open the perfumes, because sometimes that's happened to me before and it breaks. But I don't know, I love that it has the magnet top on it. So when this company contacted me, they asked me to pick any perfume on there, and I was doing a lot of research on it, and it had tons of good reviews, and a lot of people recommended this scent specifically. They say it smells like a dupe of YSL Black Opium. It smells so good, and honestly, I agree with it. It smells expensive, and it is so affordable. I'm going to show you guys a little preview of the website right here so you guys can see what it looks like. You guys can pick any scent. You guys can look up other reviews, and a lot of people have said really good things about this. And yeah, you don't have to spend tons of money getting those really expensive perfumes. You can get a nice dupe, and this one smells close enough. I'm satisfied. Honestly, if I smell it on someone, I would think it's the actual expensive perfume. And yeah, you don't need to break the bank to wear perfumes that smell this good. They're available at a very affordable price, and Dossier is a really good place you can grab some at. So yeah, let me know which perfumes you've tried from them before, and let me know which ones I should try next, because I really do enjoy this and I want to build up my little collection, and I love it. I've been getting lots of compliments on this when I wear it, and people are really shocked when I tell them the price and that I got it from a dupe and that it's not the actual thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So using this from xoxo Cosmetics, and I think this is like my favorite lash style at the moment. I just love this lash style. And also I got freaking eyeliner on me, so please ignore that. But it's this one right here from xoxo Cosmetics. This is Yvette XO's brand, and the style She's Cute. I love it. This has been my favorite lash style. And let me see, we'll put some glue on it so you guys can see what it looks like. And I've been using also her lash glue, and I really do like this lash glue. Also, I'm pretty picky with lash glues, but I love how it's like this, and it's just so easy to do it. And then she has two different colors. She has the black one and the white one. I do have both, but I'm just using this black one right now because this is the one that I just happened to open first. Let's see here. Yes, it's drying right now. And then while that, I always wait for it to get a little tacky. That's like the big trick with eyelashes. So when that gets a little tacky, I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes and put some mascara. I know some girls don't do this, especially if you are going to be wearing falsies anyway, but it's always a good idea to do it. That way your lashes have something to sit on, and this is what helps with that. Also, because sometimes when you put on your powder on your face, it'll get on your real lashes, and your real lashes are going to look really powdery, and then when you put on your false lashes on top, it's not really going to blend well. But yeah, with the mascara on, it's going to make, like I said, the falsies just sit really nice on top of it. I think these should be good now. So let's go ahead and apply them. A lot of people, like I've seen them, they'll be applying them with tweezers. I don't apply my lashes with tweezers. I just don't think it's necessary for me. And I just, it's just easy enough to do with just your hands. I don't need any tools, but obviously you do what's easiest for you. That's pretty much it. These are the lashes. So for my eyes, like I said, I do want to go for this tone, but I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just going to do lips first. We're going to be using Morphe Sweet Tea, and this is my go-to for nude colors. And then for lips, we're going to be using Morphe again in Honey. And this is also a really pretty nude color. I want to add a pop of color. I'm going to be using this from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and I don't know the shade name of this. I have no idea. But it's this pretty blue color. There isn't that many colors anyway, so it'll be easy to find if this is something you're looking for. And let me see here. I'm going to apply this on the waterline. And then I am going to do like an eyeshadow underneath using this same shade. In eyeshadow form, of course. And I'll show you guys which one I'm going to use. I hope you guys can see it, but I love how it looks. And the only palette that I have, I was looking through my palettes, and the most similar shade I could find is actually on the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. A lot of Morphe products, I swear this video is not sponsored by them. It's this color right here. So this is the most closest I could find to my eyeliner. So that's what I'm going to be using, and I'm just using a very, very thin brush. This is from the Makeup Shack, the T66. And I'm just going to be very, very careful and apply this all down here. I'm going to make it not so thick, but definitely not so thin either. Of course, I want it to be noticeable. This is pretty much the look. I just added some mascara, and I was really careful with the mascara because you don't want it to smear anything. It's just going to ruin the eyeshadow underneath. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to do some pop of color, and then I did crimp my hair a bit. And yeah, overall I really like how this looks. It's not too much, and just from, well, maybe the face makeup is a little too much, but I'm talking about like overall, like with your eyes, the eye makeup is not too much, and it's just a nice little pop of color. It looks like you tried, but that you didn't try too hard. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.